I just wanted a lemonade. It's a hot day here in Madison. I wanted to sit at the 7-Eleven under a tree. I've just been to the CrossFit Games, and what was really interesting, you know, guys, I'm into weightlifting and stuff, but what was really interesting, you could tell who was going to make a lift or not way before they actually picked the bar up, because their body language, because they just went, yeah, I'm doing it. Their head just went, yeah, I'm doing it. And I've been thinking about numbers and stuff. You know, we did 45 million quid's worth of property. We sourced 45 million quid's worth of property at an agreed purchase price of 30 million quid. That was before refurb, so you've got to take refurb off. But nonetheless, that's not bad, is it? And we did that in less than 5 years. So we were quite busy. There are not many companies in the UK that have done that. There are a few, and fair play to them, but there aren't that many. And so how did we do it? Well, to be honest, we just decided we were going to. I remember a good friend of mine asked me to present in the very, very early days what my year one business plan was, and I was like, I'm going to do 60 deals. This is fresh lemonade, which is just what a person needs. I'm going to do 60 deals, I said. It was just me, myself and I. I don't think I'd even left my job by that point, although I was just about to. And I kind of sat at my kitchen table and went, oh no, I had to present. So I had to like talk in front of people and say, that's what I'm going to do. And I was kind of like, how exactly you can do that, Suze? But we did 43 deals that year. And I'm sure, and so as you can imagine, I was annoyed with myself because I wanted to get the 60 done. And we more or less did 50 deals a year for the next 4 years, more or less. We did over 200 deals in about 4.5 years, 45 million quid's worth of property, an agreed purchase price of 30 million quid before refurb, like in a city where people told me it was impossible. So how did we do it? Well, oh yeah, the classic 7-Eleven. We just decided to. And once you decide to do something, and once you figured out how to do it once, you do it again and again and again, and you build on it and you improve things and you get faster. So that's how you do it. Confidence. Good luck.